Hello guys, hope you are doing well. If you are here, probably you got stuck with uh, images flipping, as I was a few days ago. I was looking for the best approach how to do that, and firstly I decided to use a Python script, but then I realized that there is some more simpler option than Python script, and then I decided to use PowerShell. So I prepared few images for testing. You can see it on the screen. They have different types. So let's start. Open the PowerShell command window. You can open it from here. Just press and hold the left shift button. Click perform a right mouse click and select open PowerShell window here. First option, what do we need to select is we need to specify the path to our images folder. Type, let's specify the variable path, and in double quotes type your path, and now you can check what value your variable contains. Yeah, it works good. So then we need to specify the assembly which will work with which will help us to work with images. When the assembly typed in, just press your enter button and you should see the output as I have, but only the difference what you can have is the version name, version type. So the output should be kind of this one. So the next step, we need to specify the command which will help us to extract all images, all these images from this directory. So let's use the command get child item recurse. Here you need to specify your path variable. In include, and here we would like I would like to specify the types of images which I want to process. I have just only two types. It's PNG and JPEG. So type it here with the mask PNG and GPG. Okay, good. And next string, it's we need to use the for each loop, for each image loop. The name is for each object loop. Let's type it here because we need to process each image in the folder. Object. Okay, square bracket opened. Next line. Now we need to specify the variable which will contain the object which will represent our image. Let's name it, create a new variable image equals, again, system drawing image from file. Okay, good. Next line, we need to apply command which will perform any action, flipping action with our image. So let's use another, let's type another line of code, image equal, not equal, dot, rotate flip, and the command rotate, rotate 90, flip none. And now we need to save our image, transformed image, again image, save. If you leave this command in this way, your image will be saved with the PNG extension, and it doesn't matter which initial extension it will have. So if you want to specify some extension which will be used as extension for the saved images, so you need to use to type in comma and type here the output, the extension of your output images. And last one, close square brackets and press enter button. Okay, command works. Let's see. Let's move it down. As you can see, images are rotated. So it works. So we need to just only put our code into the Power Automate desktop flow. Let's drag and drop the section, put code here, and save. So let's launch our code from PowerShell. So as you can see, it works from Power Automate desktop flow too. So there are multiple options which will help you to flip your images in different ways. Now you can see it on your screen. You can choose whatever you want, which you want, and you need how to use it. You need to change the value, which I highlighted now, to another one which you want to use. And that's all. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you, and of course, do your best. Bye bye, friends.